What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Detached Garage. If you're new to the channel, my name is Sean, and this channel is all about helping you plan, design, build, and upgrade your garage. In today's episode, we're talking pressure washer upgrades. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so again, in today's episode, we are talking pressure washer upgrades. I've had a Briggs Stratton pressure washer for quite some time. It's a gas-powered unit. I've had the standard gun and hose that came with the unit, and I finally was able to upgrade to the Obsessed Garage Mosmatic swiveling gun. The short one, I also bought the wand to go along with it. So I'm gonna pull out the pressure washer. It's in its existing form, and we're gonna talk through my setup that I currently have. I already have a quick disconnect for the garden hose to plug in for the inlet water. Leaks a little bit, but overall I think I just need a new O-ring on that. But we're gonna put the quick disconnect for the new Cobra Jet hose on, and then we're also gonna hook up the entire system and make sure there's no leaks. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so this is my existing pressure washer setup. So I'll pull out the phone here and kind of zoom in a little bit. All right, guys, so this is my existing pressure washer setup. This is a Briggs Stratton Powerflow Plus gas pressure washer. I've got the standard Powerflow Plus gun, the standard hose that comes with it, and also the standard nozzle that comes with it as well. So what I've already done with the pressure washer is put on a quick disconnect for the garden hose. So I have that here. And then I also put on this valve here so I can go turn on the water in the backyard, and then ultimately just keep this valve closed when I'm hooking it up to the pressure washer. So what we're gonna do today is unbox the Cobra Jet hose and quick disconnect package from Obsessed Garage. We're gonna install that onto the outlet portion of this, and then we're gonna see how she do. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, so we have the full unboxing done. We've got the new MTM foam cannon. We've got the Mosmatic wand and the Mosmatic gun with the swivels on it. We've also got the new Cobra Jet hose. This is the quick disconnect feature. We'll get that off of there. Can't do this one-handed stuff. There we go. Got the new quick disconnect that is going to go onto the pressure washer right there, and that will be able to connect to this, and then the other end of the Cobra Jet hose will connect to either the wand or, the wand will go into the gun, but then it'll connect to the gun. So then the other end of the hose with this quick disconnect will connect to the gun, and then this wand can plug into the gun or just use that 40-degree nozzle or the foam cannon. So let's get to installing this onto the pressure washer. All right, guys, let's get this quick disconnect installed on this pressure washer. Should be super simple. Just installing it, tightening it down. And we are ready to go. So we will get this garden hose in, line hooked up. I'm gonna go turn that garden hose on, and then we'll get started with testing for leaks. All right, guys, so it was super easy to get this quick disconnect installed. You literally just twist it on. we've got, this is from the factory, from Detached Garage. We've got this quick disconnect that I'm gonna plug into here. We'll get that on. And now we have this quick disconnect right here, which I will put into the Mosmetic gun. So, don't even need wrenches for this. I'm gonna keep them out here just in case we gotta tighten a few things up. But overall, this system's ready to go. We are ready to rock. Everything is done, everything's installed. So, check, make sure we have gas in here, and we do. Flip it on. We literally don't even need this gun anymore, which we'll put right there. We will turn the water on. We will cycle the water through, clear the air in the line. There we go. All right, so now let's start her up, see how she do. What's up, guys? Sorry, kind of a quick cut back to the studio here. I got a little carried away out there and forgot to essentially turn the camera off. Battery died and all that happened, so not much talking going on. I was just kind of pressure washing away with the new toys out there. So I will put a link in the description below to the Obsessed Garage store where I purchased those pressure washer components and the upgrade for my pressure washer. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the upgrade and how simple and easy it was to put on the pressure washer. If you have any comments, please throw them down in the comments below. Comments, questions, I'd love to answer and help you guys upgrade your garage. Thanks again for watching Detached Garage.